garden, some from
எந்த
the
புக்கு நீ போய் எட்டு வா.
they may chop them and cook them to
நீ
eat.
உட்கார ஆயமா எடுத்துறீங்களா? புக் என்னமோ வேணும்ன்றா. அப்புறம் கேட்கவே இல்லை என்ன புக்கு
Very
அதுக்குள்ள
good.
இவன் பாரு.
Santosh, please be on mute, Santosh.
அப்பும் தான் கூப்பிடுறேன்
Very
பாரு.
good, Saisha.
The solid violets are blue. Very
Sweet. And so are you.
வெளியேறி உட்காரு.
Super. Next, Hitayshri.
இந்தா வரேன். தோசை.
one shot from the
இந்த உட்காரு இங்க பாரு.
some to the field. By them and some and
எழுதலாம் சொல்ல உன்னை ஏதோ சொல்ல சொல்றாங்க பாரு.
them in the salad is healthy to eat.
Very good, Hitayshri. 1 minute. Santosh, it's your turn. Come on, Santosh. Vegetables, vegetables, fine. Come on, sing the vegetable, vegetable.
Vegetables,
Come on, Santosh. Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Buy them and of them and put them in the salad. Very good. Super. Santosh, please be on mute. Jacinta, your turn, dear. Sorry, Jacinta.
Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden, some from the field. Buy them and shop, cook to eat. Put them and sell, healthy to eat.
Very good. Super. Pranav. Come on, dear.
Some so healthy, some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them and eat. Healthy to eat.
Put them in the salad. Very good. Now, Sai Priyan.
Vegetables, chestnut, samsakang, palaman, jalpan, kuknoi, putman salad. I like eat.
Very good. Super. Shivanjali, come on. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Fresh and healthy. Come on. Some from the garden and buy them. Sing little louder, okay? Put them in the salad.
Healthy to eat.
Super. You're singing rightly only, but why are you singing very slowly? You can sing the same rhymes louder, no? So that I can hear, no? Yes. Okay, now let's do recap of the roses are red, okay? Rhymes. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Okay, one more time. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. One more time. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Okay, are you all sweet? Are you all sweet like a sugar? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you all are so sweet children. Okay, so yes, now time for us to to the prayer. Come on, stand up, everybody. Kids anthem. Come on. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Good morning. Relax. Let's do the warm-up activity.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Ready for your warm-up activity?
Good morning.
Good morning, ma. 1 minute.
Discover Lash Paradise.
1 sec.
Feather soft brush for instant and intense volume and a caring formula, even for sensitive eyes. Take your lashes to paradise. Paradise by L'Oreal Paris.
Yes, here starts your warm-up activity. Come on. Jog.
What's going on?
Come on. Run. Come on, jump. Jump, everybody. Relax. Relax means drink a glass of water and come back. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll take the attendance. September, and from today on, September month has started. So, okay, answer for your attendance. Sai Shivanya. Santosh.
Yeah, ma'am.
அங்க பார்த்து சொல்லு.
Pranav, Arya, Sai Priyan, Manasa, Jacinta, Prisha, Srishant, Hiteshri, Nidulan, Vik, Nitwin, Shivanjali. Very good. All present today then. So have you all relaxed yourself? Shall we start? Shall we start, children? So in the concept time, yesterday we learned one concept. No, what was that?
Healthy food.
Yes, healthy and unhealthy food, right? Unhealthy foods are nothing but junk foods. Ma'am have one PPT for it. So here is the fight starts between healthy food and the junk food. Junk food has another one name called unhealthy foods. Why are they unhealthy foods? Because they will give us bad cholesterol, bad all the bad things they will give to our body. Whereas healthy food will give only the energy, strength, and which makes you so strong and helps you to stay fit. But the junk food will makes you feel tired, but after some days it will lead you to feel sick, feel ill. Okay, yes, let's see some of the healthy foods. Veggies and fruits. All the veggies and all the fruits are healthier food. What is this?
Apple.
Apple. So, yes, very good. Is apple a healthy food or a junk food?
Healthy food.
Very good. Apple is a healthy food. It's a fruit, right? Fruits are healthy. What is this?
What is it? Watermelon.
Watermelon. Very good. Is the watermelon? Yes, is the watermelon healthy one or junk food?
Healthy.
Healthy food. Watermelon is also healthy food because watermelon is also a fruit. What is this? Carrot. So carrot is a healthier food or a junk food?
Healthy food.
Healthier food. Very good. Why you know? Why you know? Carrot is a vegetable. We had seen. 1 minute, children. We had seen in underground vegetable carrot were there. So carrot is one of the vegetable then. Okay. Carrot is a vegetable. Then vegetables are good, healthier food. What is this?
Beetroot.
Beetroot. Very good. Beetroot healthy one or a unhealthy one?
Healthy food.
Healthy food because the beetroot is also a vegetable, underground vegetable. Okay, vegetable. So this comes under vegetable. What is this? Mutte in English what?
What is it?
Egg. Egg. Very good. Egg. Egg is rich in protein. Egg is rich in protein which we can have. Who is that? So yes, mute yourself only if you know the answer. Unmute and answer. Okay. Then, what is this?
Milk.
Milk. Okay, it is milk. Is milk? Listen here. Is milk healthy food or a junk food?
Healthy food.
Healthy food. Very good. You know something? Milk is rich in protein and calcium. Protein is needed one for our body, and calcium is nothing but which the bone has. Bone is made up of calcium. So if you drink milk every day, your bone and teeth, even teeth is of calcium, so both will get more stronger. Okay, this milk helps to add the calcium to the bones and strength. Okay, what is this? Badam, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, ala nuts. Nuts. Are the nuts healthy or unhealthy food?
Healthy food.
Healthy food. You can have nuts. This will also add your strength. Okay, nuts. Next, here comes our junk food. What is this?
Pizza.
Pizza. So pizza is yes or no to eat?
No.
No to pizza. No for pizza to eat.
No for
Why? Because it is a junk food. How about these two, burger and French fries? Yes or no?
No.
No, we should not eat this burger and French fries. I know many children likes French fries, but you should not eat it because it is a junk food. Yeah, it's a junk food. நிறைய பேருக்கு French fries பிடிக்கும் இல்லையா? But அது சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. Even though it tastes very good, but it is very harmful to our body. Okay, let's skip this. Next, cake and the chocolate. Are they good? Or bad to our health?
Only one cupcake.
And chocolate. Yes or no for this?
No. Yes.
No. Yes sir. Who says yes?
Yes or
No dear. No. No ma. No for cake. No for chocolate. Why? Because these are also junk food. These are also junk food. Okay. Cupcakes, chocolates, ice creams, all are unhealthy food. Junk food. What is this? Cold drinks. Cold drinks. We have all the cold drinks like Pepsi, 7-Up, all the cold drinks, which has gas in it. Gas, which is very, very, very harmful than any other junk food. Okay, which is very harmful. So let's avoid this at all. Let's skip this cold drinks with the fresh juice, fresh fruit juices. Okay, let's skip this. Fruit juices will give you energy, but this juice will give you nothing. Instead, will suck out your energy. So let's completely say no to this juice, this cold drinks. Okay. Next, yes, we all know all these foods are very tasty, but not good. Very bad for our health. So let's say no to the junk food. Are you all ready? Say no to the junk food. No, yes.
No.
Eat healthy, stay healthy. Eat healthy, stay healthy. So to stay healthy, eat healthy. Okay? See, to stay healthy, eat the healthier foods, which is nothing but vegetables, fruits, milk products, animal meats, pulses, grains and all. Okay, dears? So yes, now I have a new concept today. Milk products. We all know milk. What are all the milk products? What is milk products? By milk, whatever we are getting, no, those all are milk products. For example, from where are you getting the curd? From which are you getting the curd? Curd is one of the milk product. We are getting the curd from the milk. One example like that. What else? From where are you getting the cheeses? Cheese and butter. They are also coming from the milk. Yes. So we get many dairy products from the milk. Do you all know from where we are getting this milk? From where we are getting this milk? Yes. From cow. Cow is a domestic animal which gives us milk. From this milk only we are preparing so many dairy products like butter, cheese, buttermilk, ghee, so many things, shakes, lassis, so many things. I'll show you what are they. One moment. One moment. Today we are going to learn the milk products. Some of the milk products are, we are getting milk, yogurt. 1 minute. 1 minute, dears. So yes, from milk we are getting yogurt, cream, then cheese we are getting through milk only. Butter, yes, butter is also coming from milk. Ice cream. So have you ever wondered from where this ice cream is coming? What is the major ingredient for ice cream?
Strawberry ice cream.
Yes, so many ice creams are here. No, to make ice creams, milk is a very, very essential ingredient. Very, very essential ingredient. Without milk, we cannot make ice cream. Okay? Ice cream is one of the milk product. Milk powder. Children's will, we will give this milk powder for a very small kid, right? That is infant. For infant, we'll give the milk powder to make milk for them. Condensed milk we'll use for the sweet while making the sweet. Ghee or clarified butter, we know that ghee, we add it in our everyday food habit. Next, wiping cream. Wiping cream, we'll use this wiping cream to make the frosting of the cake. Cake mela cream irukkum illaya, adudha wiping cream. Okay, wiping cream is also made up of milk. Buttermilk, more theriyume namakku ellathukkum, we all know buttermilk. Curd. So yes, we love to eat curd rice, no? Curd is also coming from milk. Milkshake. Do you all like to have milkshake, children? Milkshake?
Yes.
Yes. Prisha, do you like to have milkshake?
Yes.
Yes.
Prisha, do you like milkshake?
Say yes again.
Yes.
Yes. So
I like
milkshake is also made with the help of milk. Okay. 1 minute. I missed. Yes. Next, lassi. Lassi is nothing but sweet buttermilk. Lassi, if you add sugar to the buttermilk instead of salt, then it is lassi. Paneer or cottage cheese. We all know paneer. We all have seen. We have all come across the paneer, right? So those paneer are also made up of milk, made from milk. Milk sweets. Do you all like palkova and other milk sweets? So they are also made up of milk only. One more time we'll see what are all the milk products that we are getting from milk. 1 minute. Milk, directly we will get milk. Next, yogurt we are getting from it. Cream, we'll use this cream for paneer butter masala, right? So many North Indian dishes will use this cream. That cream is also coming from milk. Cheese, we know cheese will be there in pizza. We would have seen the cheese in the pizza, right? Cheese is coming from milk. Butter, yes, venna. Ice creams are also a milk product. Milk powder, yes, we'll give this milk powder for infants, very small child. Condensed milk, we'll use this while making sweet. Ghee, we all add ghee in all our everyday's life. Next, wiping cream. Wiping cream is nothing but the cream over the cake. Okay, that is also made up of milk product it is there. Buttermilk, more. Curd rice. We eat curd rice, curd. Milkshake. We all love to have milkshake. Lassis are also a milk product. Paneer. Yes, paneer is also a milk product. And milk sweets. Milk sweets are also made with the main ingredient as milk. Okay, these all are the milk products. We can also call milk products as dairy products. What is another name for milk products, children? What is another name for milk products? Dairy products. Yeah, dairy products. We are calling them milk products also as dairy products. Shall we all do the worksheet now? Yes? Take your worksheet. Workbook worksheet. D48 CT worksheet. D48 CT worksheet. Have you all taken it? Yes. Till then, have a look at here. Till your parents take that page, have a look at here. So one by one, I am going to answer for my questions. So, Hi Shivanya, is apple a milk product, dear?
No.
No, milk is not a, sorry, apple is not a milk product. What we have to do is, we have to tick on all the milk products. Only when you find the milk products, tick in the box given near to it. If not, leave the box empty. Okay, next. Santosh, tell me, banana is a milk product or not? Santosh, is banana a milk product, dear?
Yes.
Yes.
Healthy food.
Is banana healthy food, dear Amma? Is banana a milk product? Milk product. Banana milk la irundhu varda?
Yes, sir, yes. No.
Are you getting my question?
Yes. No.
No, dear. See, Santosh, banana vandu or fruit. It's a healthy food. That we know. Ana, banana vandu paal la irundhu varda? Is it a milk product?
No.
No. Okay. Very good. Then Pranav, we have chips over here. Is the chips a milk product? Huh? Louder, Pranav. No, it's not a milk product. Next. Arya, we have milk here, right? Is milk a milk product?
Ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, milk, is it a milk product?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because milk is also a milk product. Milk da adu, right? So put a tick in the box given near to it. Yes, Arya, come on.
Ma'am,
Follow.
I finished.
You finished it.
Yeah.
Very good. Please wait for me. Okay, wait for me and for your friends. Okay. Okay. So next, Sai Priyan, we have curd here. Is curd a milk product, dear? Huh? Yes, curd is a milk product. Just we saw, right? So please put a tick in the curd near box. Next, Manasa.
Ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
Who is done? So if done, please wait. Manasa, is this cereals? Milk filled with cereals, I think. Yes, is that a milk product? No, it is not. It's Kellogg's cornflakes, right? Let's go to the next one. Sishan,
No, ma'am.
we have wheat and corns again, the same ball. Is that a milk product?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not. Very good. Next, Hitaishi, we have a stew here, right? Stew. Is that a milk product, ma?
Seed.
Yes.
Hey,
Yes or no?
No.
No, it's not a milk product. We are not getting this through the milk. Next, Hitaishi Nidulan, is chocolate a milk product, ma? If it is a milk chocolate, it is a milk product only, dear. If it is a milk chocolate, it is a milk product. So then put a tick Okay, for milk chocolate, milk would have been added to the chocolates. So put it. Okay.
Chocolate.
Okay, wow. Next, Rutvik, we have salad here. It's completely fruit and vegetable salad. Is it a milk product?
These are milk products. Vegetable is milk product. Oh, milk product. Is it milk product? Right.
No, it's not. When you see any milk over here, no, right? It's not a milk product. Very good. Nitvin. Yes. Wait. Nitvin, we have cottage cheese. That is paneer over here. Is that a milk product?
Paneer is a milk product.
Yes.
Yes, it is a milk product. Very good. Please put a tick in that box. Next, Shivanjali, we have an orange here. Is orange a milk product?
No.
Hmm?
No.
No, it is not. It is a fruit. Very good. So once you have completed this page, please fill the date. And you all know from today a new month has started. That is September. So 1.9.2021. Okay, 1.9.2021.
Mom, finish, Mom.
If finished, please fill the name and the date, dears.
I filled the name and date.
Okay, then wait for our friends, okay? So hope you all have completed. Let's wait. Some of our friends have not completed. Please fill the name and the date. Very good, Nitvin. So are you all clear with this topic? What are all milk products? Huh? What are all the items we are getting through milk or milk products? வேற எதுவுமே இல்லம்மா. பால்ல இருந்து என்னெல்லாம் நமக்கு எடுக்கலாம்? நெய், வெண்ணெய் இதெல்லாம் தான் milk products. சரியா? எதுலெல்லாம் பால் சேர்த்திருக்காங்களோ அதெல்லாமே milk products. நெய், வெண்ணெய், what else? Cheese இதெல்லாமே milk products. மோர் எல்லாமே curd எல்லாமே milk products. Okay, I think you all have completed it. Shall we all move to the next? Yes.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, I think. Let's move to the next. So let's learn the next number in numeracy. What was the last number, children? What was the last number we had learned?
33.
33. Very good. Today we are going to learn the next number. What comes after 33?
34.
Count properly. 31, 32, 33. After that?
34.
Yes, very good. 34. How will you write 34? 3, 4. That is writing number 3 and 4 together. For 3, you will be putting 2 left curves, and for 4, 1 standing line, 1 sleeping line, and 1 more standing line like this. That is 4. 3, 4. Writing 3 and 4 together is 34. Okay, let's write this number 34 in our worksheet. Let's complete the worksheet. D47MT. D47MT worksheet. So I will tell you one more time that how to count this group of 10. Okay, today myself is going to count this. Listen here, everybody. Until your parents take the page, listen here. Listen to the screen. So we have one group of serial rights. These all are serial rights. We have one group of 10 serial rights. Then 10. One more, 20. And one more is also there. That is 30. 10. If you add one more 10, that is 20. 20. One more group of 10 is also there, 30. After 30, we have some individual lights. 31, 32, 33, 34. That is our 34. 3, 4, 34. Okay? 3, 4, 34. Let's write the 34. 34, 34 சொல்லிட்டே எழுதுங்க. Recite the number and write 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. We have to know what we are learning, so write it. Tell by a mouth and write it. Tell the number in the mouth and write it. 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 30. Finish? Yes, wait for me. For your friends, please wait, dears. Okay, if completed, please wait and fill the date. 3, 4, 34. Finish, na? Then okay, fine. Please fill the name and the date. Okay. 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34.
Apu apa ama?
3, 4, 34. So please fill fully. Okay, I'll complete till here. You complete all the 4 rows. And today's date is 1, 9, 1 dot, 9 dot,
Mana ba?
20,
Mana ba?
21.
Ma'am, Arya is not writing.
No.
Arya, what happened to you? Come on, Arya, write. Complete it and show it to me. All are writing, no? You are a good girl. Come on. Yes, Arya is writing. Very good boy. Very good girl. Where is Nithwin? Yes, Ishant have completed. Very good. Okay, okay. Nithwin, write it. Write it. Trisha, very good, dear.
Completion, ma'am.
Very good, Shivanjali. Very good, dear. Sumanasa done. Very good. Pranav completed. Very good. Wait for our friends. Yes, Pranav done. Very good.
Done.
So Nidulan have completed. Very good, Nidulan. Very good, Jacinta. So have you all completed? Shall we do the activity? Yes, let's wait for 1 more minute so that all our friends will complete and we'll do the activity. Hope you all are ready with the materials. That is a balloon or a transparent plastic cover carry bag. Ashwin is writing. Hiteshi, complete it soon. Come on, complete it soon. Until you people complete, I will not start the activity. What happened, Saishwanya? Finish? Very good.
Ma'am, we did not get balloon in our nearest shop.
No problem, no problem. If you have a cover, no problem. Fine it is.
Okay.
Later you can do the experiment when you get the balloon. Okay? Very good, Nitwin. I think you all have completed it, no? Hiteshi, have you completed, dear?
No, ma'am, she is writing very slowly.
Okay, no problem. Hiteshi, do one thing, da. You can write, you can complete the page afterwards. Okay, after the class overs.
Right.
You have to write, okay, write it. So, and our topic for science time is air occupies space. Air occupies space. If you have an empty space, there you don't think there is nobody. There air will be there. Air will occupy that space. Okay. So everybody, close your eyes. Come on, Kishi, join with us, dear. You can write it together. Okay, come on, join with us. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. One more time. One more time. So you all did breathe, right? So what is going through your nose and coming out? What is it? என்ன போகுது என்ன வருது?
Say louder.
Air. Exactly. It is air. Can you see the air? No, you cannot see the air. Air is filled everywhere in your room, no, in your place where you are sitting, the air is covered you. Okay, air is there everywhere. Okay, see, do like this, do blow and try to catch the air. Blow from your mouth, blow the air from your mouth and try to catch the air. Can you get it? No, we cannot. But can you feel the air that coming out of your mouth when you blow? Yes, we can feel, but we cannot see the air. We cannot see the air. Let's do this experiment and try to see the air. Do blow your balloons, or if you have a carry bag, do blow inside it and cover it, close it. See, touch and see. You can feel something, but can you see something inside the carry bag? Can you see something? No, nothing is there. That means we cannot see the air, but air is there inside. If you touch, no, you can see the bulge and you cannot completely do like this, crush like this. Right? You all can feel it, but you cannot see it, which means air occupies all our spaces. Okay, even your breathing, no, that is also air only. Blow in one corner and try to cover it. Even if you try the same with your balloon, the same will happen. Blow your balloon.
I am done.
Yes, very good. Arya, to touch the balloon, you can feel the air, but you cannot see it. If you open the balloon, the air will come out, but you cannot see it. Right? So I have catch the air, some of the air, but I cannot see it. Okay, this is the experiment. Okay, So yes, you can do this at your home also by blowing the balloon and letting the air out from the balloon after you blow the balloon. Okay, you can see, you can feel the air, but you cannot see the air. The thing is, the air is surrounded all our places. The air occupies space. Don't think there is nobody, but the air is there. Okay, but the air is there. That's it. Now keep your balloons and carry bags all aside. So do the same experiment in the home also and try. Okay, and explore it. Now it's time for us to learn literacy English. Till O we have completed yesterday, right? Till O, letter O. Today the next letter. So we all know how to write O, small letter O, putting a small sized circle, that is small sized O is small letter O. Now let's learn P. P will be the same as the capital P. So there is a difference only when we write it. Okay. See, the P will be same, the standing line and a left curve here. Okay, left curve here. But for capital P, we'll start putting the left curve from the starting point of that standing line like this. But for the small letter P, we'll put the left curve after giving some space of, we'll start the left curve after some point of the standing line. Okay, we'll give some space in the front. So now let's write this in the 4 lines. So let's write, first we'll write the capital P. So for capital P, you have to start the standing line from the first line. And you have to stop in the 3rd line. And the left curve will be here between the first and second line. This is our capital P, right? For lowercase p, you have to start the standing line from the second line and pull the standing line till the last line of the all 4 lines. That is till the 4th line. Now, after giving, we'll start after some point of the standing line and putting the left curve like this. This is our small letter P. This is our small letter P. We'll start the left curve after some point of the standing line. Okay, now we'll write this P in the worksheet. D46 LT worksheet. D46 LT worksheet. What is this? What animal is this, children?
Panda.
Panda. Very good. P for panda. Panda. Let's put one standing line.
And then man.
Done. Please wait for us, dears. One standing line, then one left curve like this. So the next page will be a homework. Now let's write P here. Let me complete and then we'll move to the next. So we have to start the small letter P from the second line only. That's the difference between the capital P and small letter P. Capital P will start from the first line, but small letter P will start from the second line. Small letter P. Small letter P. Small letter P. Small letter P. Yes, done. Let's put the date. 1 dot 9 dot 2021. So if finished,
Done, ma'am.
done. Then please fill the date also, dears. 1 dot 9 dot 2021. Very good, Manasa. Arya, completed, dear.
சொல்லு.
Computer.
Very good. Very good, Jacinta. So then all of you have completed. No, some of our friends are still writing. Let's wait for them. Now completed. Very good. Very good, Netherlands.
Completed, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Very good session.
Yes.
So let's finish one more worksheet also, dears. One last worksheet actually for today. Day 47 LT. Day 47 LT, in which we are going to recap O and P. So what is this? First one. What is this, dears?
I did what?
Octopus. Very good. Octopus is for O or P. O for octopus or P for octopus?
Oh.
O for octopus. Then let's match this octopus with this O and this O also. We have 2 times O here, right? Okay. Next, what is this? What bird is this?
Parrot.
Parrot. So P for parrot or O for parrot? P for
parrot.
parrot. Very good. Then match with P. Okay. So please write it over the traced line. Please write the O and P. Small letter O, small letter P. Small letter O, small letter P. Okay, if finished, please fill the date. 1 dot 9 dot 2021. So have you all completed this one? You can color it later, ma. As a homework, you can color it, okay? So have you all finished?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes? Very
Yes,
good,
ma'am.
Manasa. Superb, superb. Very good. So if finished, close your notebook and keep it aside. We'll be having a small phonic sounds recap. Okay? Close this and keep it aside. Take your rough notebook or your slate. Take your rough notebook or your slate. What I am going to do is I am going to do the actions or the sounds of that particular letter. You're going to find what letter is that and going to write it in your notebook or the slate. Okay, are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes. So first listen. Ah, 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 ah. What is that? Ah, ah. And so my arm. Ah, ah. And so my arm.
A.
A. Write it, write it. Letter A. Very good. Write it. Next is yes. What letter is that? E. Egg, right? E is the letter, right? E for
Writing.
X in the pen. X in the pen. X in the pen. Crack the eggs like this. A is the sound of letter E. So now next letter is B. B.
Bring your ball. B.
B. Right. Right, B. Only 5 letters for now. We'll do the continuation of it tomorrow. Okay, come on, write B. Next, are you all ready? Next is da.
D.
Write it. What happened, Sai Shivanya, dear? What happened, ma? You tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me what is your problem.
I don't want right.
Okay, don't write. No problem. You can do this one later. Okay. If you don't have mood, don't force yourself. Okay, dear. Just listen to it. Answer for my questions. Next, what letter is still remaining?
No. What is
Yes, this letter. This sound is for which letter?
What is the letter, Trisha?
C. Very good. Super. Right, C. Okay, wow. So we have completed writing now. Let's check. Okay, let's check whether whatever you have written is right or not. What is the first letter I had said? Ants in the ants in the is A. Very good, Hitashri. Super. Next. Here, what is this? X in the pan. X in the pan. X in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Yes, very good, Sishant. What Mansa? Very good, Arya. Super, Jacinta. What next? Ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba. What letter is that? B. Very good, Mansa. B. Letter B. Correct it. Okay. If you have written correctly, then correct it. What is the next letter? Da. See me play on my drums. Playing drums gives lots of fun with the da. So da is for letter D. Okay. And the last one is we are clicking castanets. Ka. We are clicking castanets. Ka. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. Ka. Ka is the sound of letter C. If you have completed rightly, very good, Nidulan. If you have completed correctly, then super. So get it verified by your parents and share the picture to me also. Okay, dears? So that's it for today. We'll see you all by tomorrow. Very good, Rutvik. Very good, Pranav.
Bye.
So that's it for today. We'll see you all by tomorrow. Bye. Bye, dear. Bye, dear.
Bye, friends.
Bye-bye. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Super, da. Finally, you have written. இங்க பாருங்க. It's a big heart for you.
உனக்கு தான் 14 கொடுக்குறாங்க. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.